I actually had to go pick it up at FedEx, so that's a little bit of a turnoff. But anywho, this is, now let's see, she got a whole thing written on here. You are a masterpiece, a magnificent canvas in all. Your uniqueness, one of a kindness, vulnerable rawness, eloquence, insistence, powerfulness, patterns, complex and divine, priceless, I see you, beautiful masterpiece. Child. Was that some lyrics?
You know she extra.
Yeah. I don't know. Alicia be like, she be, I don't know. She just be real mellow. That's all I'm going to say.
Yeah.
She be real mellow. Like, real mellow. What? I guess they know what I'm trying to say.
That's the perfect way to describe it.
I ain't trying to, put her out there like that. But she was on some show. Everybody was saying it. She was on some, I don't know if she was hosting an award show. Everybody was like, you seem real mellow. Of course, I don't think they said it like that, but I was like, she sure do. And she got a whole bunch of stuff in here, y'all. What in the world? Alicia, what is going on, girl? What in the world? It's some cue cards. You got some cue cards up in here? She got something in a envelope. What is this, Alicia? Okay, this is the same thing she had on the box. And then on here. Okay. Thank you for, okay, she says, beautiful masterpiece. Thank you for taking a step in your key Soulcare journey. We're honored that you've chosen to share your beautiful light with us, and we're grateful to have you as part of our community. We invite you to continue to explore more ways to go deeper and discover what truly fulfills you, body, mind, and spirit. There's so much to learn from each other, so please share your love and light with us at KeysSoulcare.com or any of our social channels. Let's keep vibing together. Keys Soulcare. I'm smelling something. I don't know where it's coming from yet. But what is these cue cards? In the world? She has these things. She has like something called rituals. So she's got like a couple's ritual. She had her and Swiss Beats on there. It's like, okay, what y'all into? And candles and stuff, y'all. So I would invite you to go check out her website. Okay, so they kind of look like game playing cards, but with different sayings on the back. I am strong, capable, and unstoppable. I walk in my own strength. Okay, so she tells you about each product. That's the Harmony Mask. The other thing was the Obsidian Facial Roller. Goodness gracious. So she's got, this is some comforting balm she has. I welcome all circumstances and catalysts for change. What is this? Skin Transformation Cream. I am as free as the air. So you guys, I'm probably not going to go through all these. Goodness gracious. Got a lot of cards here. This is Reviving Aura Mist. So you guys can just go on her website and check out all her products. But let's see what I have here. She's got black tissue paper. Oh, this is that stick she was talking about. Some sample. Alicia, girl, what you into? You saw voodoo? What is this? I don't. It's called a Palo Santo stick. Now, what do you do with this?
That's at Santos.
That's what I was smelling, y'all. A citrusy cousin to frankincense and myrrh. Palo Santo wood has been burned for centuries by South African shamans to remove negative energy and promote a sense of tranquility. As a token of thanks, we invite you to light this sacred stick whenever you need to press reset and come back together. Light Palo Santo and extinguish flame. Place on heat-resistant surface. Child, this like some incense. Oh my. Okay then. Okay, so then she put 2 samples in here. I was gonna read you. It took me by surprise. It got here so quick. I just ordered it. And I didn't do any type of special shipping or anything. So I was going to read you guys about the company or the dermatologist that came together with Alicia Keys to make this product. Anywho, this is, she gave 2, okay, so she really gave 3 things for free. These are the things she gave for free, y'all. Renewing body and hand wash. That's that. It's got Manuka honey shea butter in there. It's a hand wash. And then this is rich nourishing body cream with shea butter and cocoa butter. Ooh, how many products do you see with shea butter and cocoa butter? That's good. Okay. So what I did was, okay, so this is a full product I ordered because I really, really wanted to try this. This is Be Luminous Exfoliator Exfoliant. So should this be a 2-part or this should be the first part? So this is a lot, y'all. I got it to the box, so well. But this is what I seen Alicia was using. I think I saw her first on Facebook, now it's on Instagram. But look at the bottle. She's got like my favorite colors. Like, well, purple or black. I'm not a Ravens fan, but I kind of gravitate towards purple and black and some blues. But anyway, this is a big bottle. So I had never seen anything like this, y'all. Oh my goodness, how do you open it? Ooh, Alicia, girl. Oh, it's got a pull tab or something. Ooh, did y'all hear that?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You seal it back up? Okay. Okay, so it's a powder. So I can't show y'all on here, but it's a powder, but it turns into a foaming face wash like situation there. So this is really, really the main thing I wanted to try. As I said, I've never seen that before. It says, okay, developed in partnership with board-certified dermatologists, this water-activated powder exfoliator formulated with whole chicha powder, mung beans, oats, and lactic acid transform into a gentle, creamy foam to gently buff away dullness and reveal your true radiance. Skin feels soft and smooth. Okay. And they want you to use it 2 to 3 times a week. So I don't know if a lot of y'all old heads know, but Alicia Keys used to be like the spokesperson for Proactive, which is like my go-to, but Walmart has their version, Target has their version, so I usually just get their $11, $12 versions. That's usually, Proactive is usually my go-to, but Alicia Keys, she had very, very, very bad skin. Kind of like, well, me. But, of course, if she didn't gotten to major coinage, she didn't got her own skincare line, and her skin looks great. So anyway, this is just a trial size packet I got because I wasn't trying to pay all that money. Even though when I got to the checkout, they offered Afterpay, so I got 4 payments of $13. How cool is that? So this is in here the Golden Cleanser, the Harmony Mask, and the Rich Nourishing Body Cream. Okay, which the body cream she gave in a sample. So I could probably open this one up. And she has all these different sayings on here. You are devoted to this moment. That's for the Golden Cleanser. Walk in your own strength. Harmony Mask. Your body is a vessel for love, light, and strength. Oh, I could try to light this stick for y'all too. Can you get the my bowl that I have? I mean, you know my, what do you call that? A tortoise shell? I forgot. It's the thing where I burn my stuff at. I want to see how this what do you call this thing again? Palo, Santo. Oh, we don't need the sage. Anyway, yeah. Oh, you left the stand over there.
Oh.
I guess I don't need it. But this, see how it's like iridescent? It's like a shell. But I forgot exactly what they call it, y'all. If y'all know what this is, let me know. Because I can't. I bought it from a company like years ago. Oh, look at you. So should I like this? Let me take this paper off, y'all. Wow, I never seen anything like this, y'all. It ain't really nothing. Ain't really nothing left in here. Thank you. Well. Yeah, it ain't. Okay. Okay, Alicia. Is that why you be so mellow, girl? Look at it, y'all. It is really lights. Okay. Ooh. 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 All right there, girl. I think it went out, though. I think it went out, y'all. Did I put it out? I don't think I did. Dang, y'all. I don't know if I'm doing it right. Let's see. It said light and extinguish. Place on heat resistant surface. I did that. But it seemed like it's just still smoke, right? I don't know. Maybe I ain't light it too long. See, I don't like messing with flames, y'all. I really don't. I really, really don't. Alicia, you gonna have me, girl. Get that thing. But look at the carvings on the stick. I don't know if that means something in particular. Okay, she's smoking now. It's smoking now, y'all. Okay. Ooh, it smells lovely. It smells lovely, y'all. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Smell good. Y'all can't smell it yet. Okay, so let's try the Rich Nourishing Body Cream for y'all. But I tell you what, that Afterpay is a blessing and a curse. Cause it. Okay, this is a real light smell. Oh, you like it, Age?
It's like perfume.
This is real light shea butter and cocoa butter. Okay, so that's apparently that's all that's really what's in here. So I like that. And This is coming into being the ashy. We're coming out of the ashy season, I guess. But yeah, that stick smell good, y'all. So we're gonna do this as a part 1, and then I'll take you guys into the bathroom and we'll do my face on a part 2. Whenever that will be. Whenever time permits here. Okay, she got my skin shining. It was ashyism. It was ashy, y'all. My hands was real ashy. But you can't go wrong with cocoa butter and shea butter. But I'm a little confused on as to how long this is supposed to light, because I'm going to use Alicia Keys. I was really digging this. And I didn't see this for sale on a website, but it had to be because it had a price tag on here. I mean, yeah, like a, what you call that? UPC? A UPC code or something, see? This smells lovely. Are we supposed to do chanting? It don't say so. Wow, this is nice, y'all. Okay. Yes, definitely. Remove that negative energy if we have any. Whew, you got that right. You got that right. And these are my sage bundles that I don't understand. They don't stay lit either, but I heard that if they don't stay lit, that means you don't have any negative. So that's fine with me, but are you, now my daughter was saying, are you supposed to unwrap these? So maybe that's why it's not burning. But this, I can't figure out. I like all the carvings, like I said. Look at that, y'all. Alicia, maybe I ain't doing this right. Yeah, this is running out, babe. This is I had never seen anything like this before. Never. See, now, if you was to leave it lit like this, the sucker's gonna burn. But you can't leave it lit like this. Look at it. She really mean the girl is on fire. Okay, there you go. There you go. There you go, baby. Alright, y'all. So, thank you for watching this. Have you guys ever tried this or seen this? I feel like this is fairly new because I just started seeing it. Okay. Let's get some ash on it, y'all. Okay, I think I got it this time. A Palo Santo stick. This is a lovely smell. Because I knew when I opened the package, this is what I was smelling. I didn't know. So, it told me what was coming as a free sample, but I didn't know what a Palo Santo stick was. Anywho, yeah, yo. Alright, can't wait to try this for you guys. See you next time. Y'all take care. Be safe, be well. Bye. Hey, y'all. So I just wanted to add that Alicia Keys, like, when you get to the checkout, she has a roundup portion so you can donate to, like, her favorite cause, her favorite charity, UNICEF. So I thought that was pretty cool. I think mine rounded up to like 89 cents or something like that. So yeah, she gives back as well. Isn't that lovely? Oh.